Welcome to an overview of the Maths Whizz program. Maths Whizz is currently being adopted by schools all over New Zealand at primary level and covers level 1 to 4 of the New Zealand curriculum. Many secondary schools are using it at Year 9 and with students who struggle at higher levels. There are two parts to the Maths Whizz program. The Maths Whizz Teacher Resource is a school site license that gives teachers access to over 1,200 printable worksheets and interactive exercises to be used on interactive boards or with data projectors and screens. We will focus on Maths Whizz Tutoring Plus for schools, which creates an individualised program of study for each student based on their strengths and weaknesses. Every student has their own individual username and password to their account. When a student logs in for the first time, they will receive a diagnostic assessment that will be the foundation for their maths program. The student will be given questions across the curriculum based on their chronological age, and if they get the answer right, then the next question will be harder. If the student gets the question wrong, the next question will be easier until their level is found, and that will be the starting point for their tutoring program. They will be assessed on a variety of topics depending on the age of the student, including fractions, decimals, add sub, multi div, and properties of numbers. Then a starting point will be given for other topics such as measurement, shape and space, and worded problems. From there, Maths Whizz will give the students exercises and tests at their level. There are no loopholes in the program that allow students to work at a level other than their own. When a student passes a test, the level is automatically changed and a new set of exercises at a slightly higher level are presented to the students. This is called the progress report, and students love seeing this. The red line shows the first assessment, the blue shaded area shows the progress since the assessment, and the level the student is now working at in each of the topics. The teachers do not have to set or adjust levels. This is all done automatically in response to the student passing the tests. I have logged into a student's account, and we are now live in their study area. The tutor is the area in the program where students go to do their exercises and tests. When the student enters their tutor, it will continue on from where they finished in their previous lesson. Remember, the students will automatically get exercises and tests at their level. The students will earn up to 15 maths credits for getting 100% in an exercise, or 30 maths credits for getting 100% in a test. I will take you into the topic bank to show you an example of a typical exercise. Topic bank is an area where students can practice exercises in a specific topic. You will see by this exercise that there is usually some teaching at the beginning of the exercise and then a series of questions. In most of the exercises there is a help function which will guide students in the right direction if they get part of the question wrong.
What fraction of the apples on the tree are red? How many apples are there on the tree? How many red apples are there? What fraction of the apples on the tree are red?
The students would continue and build their confidence with fractions. So just to recap, when a student goes in, they do their assessment, and then their tutor program is set for each student based on their individual strengths and weaknesses. It is in their tutor that they do exercises and tests. Once a student masters an exercise, they will be given a test to complete. If they pass the test, then the level is automatically adjusted. It is important to note that each of the topics are set to the level of the student, and at no point do the teachers have to adjust the levels. The tutor presents the student with new material. It is also necessary that the students consolidate their learning in the console area. To move into the console area, they can click on the trophy in their study. This area is also called replay. The exercises the student has done in tutor are categorized into their gold medal exercises, silver, bronze, and no medals. We tell students to do challenges in their no medal exercises, as they have more chance to earn maths credits and to improve their medal for that exercise. In doing this, they are actually practicing their weakest exercises. When I mouse over an exercise, the student is given two options. One is replay, which is to try and beat their previous score in time, and the other is to challenge someone else around the world. If they win the challenge, they earn 10 maths credits. Take a look how the student is consolidating their learning by not only receiving the instruction, but also giving them the opportunity to do this exercise that they previously have not done so well in their tutor.
Let's see how to reflect shapes in a mirror line. Look at the vertices of this shape. We can use the dotted grid to see where the reflection will appear. Look how the vertices match up. We fill in a new shape to complete the reflection. Draw the reflection of this shape in the mirror line.
When a student gets a question wrong, an element of help is always given to guide the student to the next step. While the students are doing exercises, tests and challenges, they are earning maths credits that they can spend in their Whizz shop. They can spend their maths credits on virtual pets, toys, etc. They will need to feed their pets and purchase pet food with their Whizz credits. Remember, they can only earn Whizz credits by completing tests, exercises, and winning challenges. There is also a school leaderboard which shows the students with the most maths credits for the week. Students can be rewarded further for performance in Maths Whizz. You will see when you watch the video clip on school reports how teachers can go in and simply send the students a message. When a student logs into their room, the mail will be bouncing up and down if a student has a message from the teacher. On that message, the teacher may also put a sticker. Here is the sticker book, showing all of the stickers received so far. This is the deputy principal who has sent a message to the whole school. Students love this. So in summary, the students do a diagnostic assessment from which a program of learning is set, and as the students work through the program, it is automatically adjusted. Be sure now to watch the video clip on school reports to see the rich data that can be derived from Maths Whizz, as the students are engaged in their individualised Maths Whizz tutoring program.